Here, do you wanna? You think
No.
this right here will make them emo? That smiles for the camera. Here, I want you to put him back. You put your thumb in his mouth, just like this. He will not bite you, I promise. Look it, I'm doing it. He won't. I'll do it with you. You just put your thumb in there with me. Feel it. You can feel feel it like sandpaper.
What is that?
Those are like his teeth, but they're not sharp because they're just little. So put your thumb like this. I'll show you. Like that. You can do it.
I don't want to. I want you to throw it out there.
No, that's mean.
Why?
Because that hurts them.
I'm gonna cut
Oh, dude, he slammed it. And I set the hook hard. He slammed it though.
Daddy, that was my fish.
Yeah, you reeled them almost all the way in. Huh? Reel it in.